Hello, traders. FX Pep Collector here. Today is Monday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So, on the DXY monthly, I still believe that this is the end of an ABC correction right here. I do believe that this is the end of a correction and that this will end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out that low, because that's what happens when you have the end of an ABC, whether you're on the monthly, the 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's head down to the weekly and switch back to the dollar index. So on the dollar index, I can still see that this is lower lows, lower highs. I still think this is a wave one. I still think this move up right here may have already ended a correction, which I'll show you on the daily for a wave two. And I still believe that this is just going to keep on trending down, all part of a wave three. Mostly because I do believe that this is the end of an ABC correction right here on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this move up right here, even though it is shaped like a trend, I do think that is going to end up being the end of a correction, mostly because this move down right here, it is a trend. That move down is not a correction to this move up, that is a trend. And then what happened next is we made three waves up right to the previous high with an impulsive move down. I think we have the another end of a correction right here, and I do believe that this will keep on trending down, eventually taking out these lows, and most likely it's all part of a wave three. I think this is a one, a two, and we're already in that wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this is where you can see the end of this correction, probably the end of a wave C. It definitely does have the shape of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does go up, but really the last structure level is way up here, so I believe that anything we see to the upside is just going to be a correction to this last wave down, and that price will keep on making lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So keeping all that in mind, let's head right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely down for me until it takes out this high right here, which I don't really think that it will. I think that anything we see to the upside is just going to be a correction. We do have CPI news coming out this week for the dollar, so if this makes a correction maybe for the next day or two and then ends up looking something like that, I would say that the possibilities are extremely high that it's going to make an ABC up, make another lower high, and just keep on trending down, all part of that big wave three, like what I was showing on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.